Good evening, everybody. Good evening, one and all. We welcome you to the Atal FDP, which is being organized by Institute of Engineering and Management. So it's one of our standing great benefit that we have been given this opportunity to do this Atal FDP. So as you know, it will 2 weeks FDP program. The first week will be online and which will be held from 7 to 9:30 every day with this week. And the next week will be an offline, which will be done at our institute premises. So this whole FDP, we wanted to have it very close to done to something which is will be required. So we selected computer vision. So whenever we are talking about image processing and computer vision, we felt that this will be the core area for us to have the FDP on.
We have chosen purposely, we have chosen machine learning, computer vision as the topic because we feel that this is an emerging area that requires training and retraining of all the faculty members in the tools, in the algorithms, in the new aspects, industry 4.0, how the industry is functioning. So that is why, and we kept a combination of online and offline to have that level of expertise and that level of hands-on activities, hands-on training on the tools, algorithms of the, all the protocols of the machine learning and computer vision.
So, most welcome to the FDP organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Now, after the pandemic COVID-19, this topic is very much relevant regarding all field of engineering. And not only that, the engineering education going so fast nowadays, and irrespective of discipline, everywhere is required the artificial intelligence or machine learning or application, computer vision, like such kind of modern topic. And not only that, college engineers from decades after decades, they are trying to reach.
And all the participants, and welcome to this Atal FDP faculty development program in machine learning of computer visions in computer visions. Here already sir has mentioned this Atal FDP program is conducted in 2 weeks. First week Monday to Saturday 7 to 9:30 p.m. and second week Monday to Friday, where this is an offline session. So first week is starting from this week, that is 22nd to 27th, this is online, and second week 29th to 2nd of September, this is offline mode. Here have certain rules and regulations. As already sir mentioned, overall 70% if you get the assessment course, assessment marks, then you can eligible for a certificate, along with if you're just getting a 90% or above in the assessment marks, then the distinctions will be happened. Next, two assessment test will be happening. In one is online mode in this end of this week, another is the offline. After complete the offline session, the offline assessment will be done. Along with that, here 2-page article summaries you need to submit in the team basis, that each team are 2 or maximum 3 people can be present. Teaching practice is another assignment you need to submit in an individual. Report and outcome of industry visit is also presented in the form of team report. And finally, you need to submit the reflection journal individually at the last session. So the page article summary, teaching practice, report or outcome of industry visit, and the reflection journal, these 4 things must be submitted in the offline. This is not for online session. So that's it. And all the best to all the participants. And I hope we are able to understand some, or we can gain some of the knowledge from this particular FDP. Thank you with this.
which was online. So here in this FTP, you will have few submissions which needs to be done. Now, few of the submissions have to be uploaded by you. Some of the submissions have to be given to us. So there will be some submissions which are there. One of which is obviously an industry visit, which will be done today. So today we will have an industry visit. It's very nearby, so we can we will arrange things so that the visit goes uneventful. So you will go to that industry, they will show the applications which have been done to the different modules. We have organized the visit there. Now from that industry visit, you have to have a write-up. So there is a particular format in which it has to be written. So I think Oluko will already share it in your folders or will share it subsequently. Apart from that, we have many speakers. You have heard in the last week many eminent speakers. You will in this week also have many speakers who will be coming in, and they will try to enrich your knowledge. But the most important thing is if there is a enrichment among the peers, that will be the most helpful one from this FTP. Now it's a different kind of an FTP program, so let's hope that there is some outcome from this, like from peer learning, and you can utilize these learnings in the future, whatever work you are doing. So let's hope for the best. I think the speaker is on the way up, so within 15 minutes we will start. Okay, thank you. You have been part of this FDP for about 2 weeks. So this was a new format of Atal FDP which actually took place, and where we had 1 week which was online and 1 week which was offline. I understand it was very tough to manage everything and attend it in the offline mode. So we are finally going back to the old regime of everything being offline. So this is one kind of thing that FDPs have become offline now. So keeping that in mind, it was arranged. So we had a wide range of speakers. I hope you have gathered the knowledge you wanted to seek from this particular FDP. Because please keep in mind, whenever we are talking about our faculty development program in terms of computer vision, in terms of AI ML, means that you are going to implement it going back, or you want to work something on it, because research is now not limited to I am from computer science branch, or I am from the electronics branch, I have to research in that particular way. It's cross-dimensional at the present. Every department needs to come in and everyone needs to play its role in actually coming up with a proper research. So what I would request is, some of our participants are from our institute, some of you are from other institutes. So what I would request is that if you want to collaborate with the team, so basically the computer vision team is who have been here for the long time. So you have the Dr. Rupam Mondol, you have Dr. Dorothy Sharkar, you have Mona Lisa Dev, Saurabh Ghosh, Shonilik Mahata. So they all are part of the team who have been doing or working on different types of work in computer vision, as well as they have patents in it. So I would request that those who are from outside, if you could come back and if you can do a collaborative work, we will also be very much happy. And maybe it's a collaborative work is something which is always required from both ends. So if you can do it, we will be welcoming you. We will be very happy to make sure, and we have resources which are beyond this lab for computer vision and AI implementation. So we have resources which can have a huge impact. So GPU processor, systems and all that, everything is available, but we need people who can collaborate with research. So that's where this FDP was thought of and was actually conceived. This was actually the organizing team who was there. I forgot Orpon. He will be very angry if I don't mention him. He's been part from the online as well as the offline. He's been a versatile person who has been there all the time. I thank you all again for selecting IEM as a venue for this particular FDP. Thank you for attending it. Hopefully, we may have an advanced version in the month of December. So, we are planning it in a different way though. It will be something which we are planning it on our own, but it will be on an online mode. So, it will be a 5-day on Dr. Govindo Singh. Dr. Prosenjit Kundu, Dr. Mrs. Shunchita Shah, Ms. Bhavani Ghosh, Mr. Arnab Chakraborty, Anish Kumar Shah, Anton Dash, Meenakshi Bhatt, Sumanta Chakraborty, Mrs. Ranikita Das Bhattacharya, Mrs. S. Dejani Goswami, Dr. Saumati Ghosh, Mr. Kaushik Banerjee, Dr. Kirti Paul, Tribhujyoti Das, Mr. Shubhobroto Sengupta, I think the others are not here. So, there are other ones. Okay, so please do get I thank you all. Now, as per AICT norms, please make sure that you have uploaded the feedback, you have uploaded the assignments which is given. That has to be uploaded, right? And we will try to be as fast as possible. But obviously, from our side also, the amount of documentation which we need to upload is also there. So please give us 1 week time, not 1.5 weeks time.